Hello everybody, I'm out here with the FIMI X8. It's a classic. Already, it's a legend in its own time. Listen, I'm just out here farting around. I'm just going to take it up. I'll put the video in. I'm just, experimenting around a little bit with some different settings and this little crap. It's just like a little flight I'm just doing. I'm going to take it out about 600 feet and just fly it around a little bit, get the feel of it. Man, this sun out here is brutal. Oh, listen, guys, the first impressions on this FIMI X8 are pretty good. It flew really nice. I went out about 600 feet, maybe a little hair more, and then back, around the park. I didn't go too far. There was some kids over there. I didn't want to fly over them, but so I kind of went out that way, like I do usually. Fly over that by that end of them tree line over there, which is like 680, 700 feet. And then I just came back over the ball field and then brought it down, then changed some settings on the camera, and then took it back up. Went up, I don't know, 210 feet, did a little 360 around and came back. Seemed very stable. It never jittered around or anything, or didn't seem for a second that I wasn't in complete control of the thing. So it never acted up at all. Didn't have no props flying off or none of that stuff like Marcus and Gorilla Man. I think Gorilla Man had a crash too or something, or fly away, I don't know, something like that. But no, it flew really positive. It had 18 satellites on there, so I know there was plenty of satellite, there was plenty of GPS lock on it, so that wasn't going to be an issue. So, yeah, it flew great. So I don't have any gripes with it so far. That was just the first flight, and it was only 600-700 feet out. And so the next flight, I think maybe I'll go down to the river, by the old factories, and I'll take it out there. Maybe, the next flight, maybe I'll go out like 1,500-1,600 feet, maybe more, maybe take that same route that I did with the Xeno. So, all right, guys, thanks. I'll talk to you later.